Good afternoon. This is Sherwood Tucker with American Ag Marketing from downtown Chicago on Tuesday, October the 29th with this afternoon's midday market comments. And going out to the markets here, a little bit of a mixed picture in the grains today with December corn down a half a cent at 4.30 1/4 after a 9-cent drop yesterday. March down 3/4 at 4.42 1/2 with November beans up 4 at 12.75 1/4. We have the January 14 up 1 cent at 12.69. That spread becoming more inverted with the November over the January. We have December wheat up 1 1/2 at 6.82 1/2, and March up 1 3/4, 6.93 3/4. December Kansas City wheat up 3 1/4 at 7.54 with the March up 3 1/2 at 7.55. Have the December meal at 412.90 down 180. And December oil up 29 at 40.65. November feeders up 10 now at 167.17, and another record high in the December fats have it at 134.30 up 50, with December hogs down 50 at 91.45. The stock indexes moving higher with the December Dow Jones futures up 83, 15,601. I believe that's another record high, and December gold pulling back off its 5-week high, down $7 right now at 13.45.30. Have the dollar rallying kind of strongly today, still under the 80-cent level at 79.69, and December bonds down 7 ticks at 135 even. Deck cotton down 32, 78.33 with the March cocoa down 25 at 26.66. December crude pulling back a little bit, 98.20, and March sugar down 38 at 18.53. A couple quick news points for the December corn. Yesterday broke out of its trading range down 9 cents with funds selling about 12,000 contracts, which makes their total net short position about 64,000 contracts currently. Harvest yesterday was reported at 59%, up 20% from last week, with 62% being the 5-year average, so we're catching up there. Resistance in that market, December 13, is 438 support. Resistance at 438. Now support is 423, and then $4.13 if it manages to break through that. In the beans, yesterday had a big washout to the downside, as we reported in our afternoon comments. I think it's due to fund liquidations. They have to be out of their positions, can only be long 600 contracts after Wednesday night going into first notice day. Another indication of that is there was a big drop in open interest from yesterday's trading. Saw over 31,000 contracts dropped in open interest with the volume at 311,000. Again, the funds have to be down to 600 contracts by Wednesday night due to first notice day, so I think that's some pretty good influence on that market right now. Resistance in November beans is 13.10, support currently at $12.62. Trading in the stock indexes are just quietly creeping higher today as the Fed started its 2-day meeting. Retail sales and consumer confidence were reported lower, which I think that's probably making the market rally because it means the Fed is not going to stop its quantitative easing program. So that keeps bullishness in the stock market. As reported, gold and crude are both falling today as the U.S. dollar is up pretty strong. It's strengthening and has been firming and creeping higher throughout the session. Well, that's about it for the midday comments. I'll come back to you later on this afternoon with the closing comments. If you have any questions, give us a call, 312-987-2072. Feel free to visit our website, www.americanagmarketing.com. You can also follow our blog there, which we keep up to date and live. Have a great afternoon. Be back to you later and be safe. Thank you.